playground. I mean melon sandbox. Ah, it's a nice office in here. Wait, what's that leather thingy? Let's go see. I'm going to pull it up. Does it do anything? Let's see what it does. Let's see what it just done. Oh, I love working at this office. Yeah, me too. Alright, let me bottle flip. Oh. You know what? Just take some water, mate. Take some water. You broke the glass. Oh wait, I tipped the chair over. Did you see that earthquake warning on the telly last night? Yeah, I did. Looks like there's going to be an earthquake and strong things. Beep, beep, beep. Earthquake is coming. No. Ah, what's happening? Ah, what's happening? This is a strong earthquake. Oh God. Okay, everyone stay calm. It's just an earthquake. We can't stay calm. If it's an earthquake. Oh, so it looked like it activated the office. I guess I'll turn it off since it's daytime. Boop. Oh. Is everyone okay? Oh God. Oh God, this is dangerous. Do not go outside, okay? Actually, yes, we need to go outside. We need to evacuate. We need to evacuate. We need to evacuate. Oh my, no, an advert.
Bingo Blitz is an extremely fun and engaging game for my daily fun and challenge.
What the heck?
B13 064
One on.
I-29
There's 29.
I-26
26.
N39 G52 I-17 B12 G48 Bingo.
God, what's this? Bingo Blitz? No, I'm not downloading that. Since it's 18. We need to evacuate. Ah! Ah! All right, Melon, you can return now. Oh, yay! Wait, I can't go back in? Help me, I'm locked outside! Oh, I broke it. Nice. I heard something that just broke. Oh well. We can oh! Ah, what's happening? Don't worry, we can sort it. We can sort it out in a minute. Oi! What are you two doing here? You should be having a meeting! Ow! Okay, sir. Now get up off that floor. Okay. Okay. Why did he just do that? You know what? You're fired from this place. Get out! You have to be strict to me. No one bees like that to me. Hey, I'm sorry. No, you're not. You're not sorry. So what do you have to say? Sorry. No. Right. And then just get this slim connector. Right. What the heck? What the heck happened? Okay. Why is it? Come on. Anyways. So what? I'm back. No, you're coming with me. Get over here. So, what do you have to say? Sorry. I didn't know. But I don't care anyways. Do you want to die? No, please. Oh God, I got to hide this gun. Wait, where did this gun come from? Wait, when... Dun, 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 dun. Oh God, another. But this time, it's a tornado! No! Everyone, remain calm! It's both tornadoes and earthquake! Oh God, this is bad! Stay calm, everyone. It will be fine. Oh no. Or maybe not fine. Oh God, it's gonna like my game. How am I still alive? I should have been dead all along. Everyone died. Everyone is dying. Oh no! How am I back? I guess. Okay, no advert. Why the hell would I play bingo? No. Oh, this advert again. No, I think it is. Bingo. Are you kidding me? I just restarted my game. Are you serious? Are you serious right now? I knew it. It just restarted my game. I knew it. It just restarted my game. Great. All right. Oh God, it's going to be strong weather. Ah! 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 Pow, pow. Ah! Pow, 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 pow. Ah! No, I don't want to land into the tornado. No, I don't want to land in the tornado. I'm gonna die. Ah! Wait. What the? Am I just... Oh! How am I... All right. How am I still alive? Oh, I need to get off of the floor. I need to get out of the floor. Oh no. I just broke something. It's okay. Oh God. Oh God. We're gonna die! Yes. Go. Yes. I did it. Just gotta get some regeneration. Yes. I'm back. Ha ha ha. The only melon can survive in this world is me. Breaking news! An earthquake has been reported from the office and strong weather has been hitting it. And now here's the ground. So many melons have died from it. And that is the review. We will be back in the afternoon. Bye-bye. Until the president came. Oh my goodness, what happened here? Every melon has been like killed. President, are you there? The president of the... Who is talking? I should go see. Hello? Hello, who's talking? Ow! Ow. President, are you there? Oh, President, you're here! Oh my goodness! I never knew you would come here. You've never been here before, but now you're here. Oh my God! Yeah, that's me, the President of the United Kingdom. I forgot the president name of the United Kingdom. I forgot his name. Okay. So what's happened here? So we were working in the office, yeah, and then there was like strong weather that occurred, and then everyone died. Oh my goodness. That would never happen to the United Kingdom. I think maybe one happened once. Yeah, I think so. Everyone like died because of the tornado, the explosion thingy, and the earthquake thingy. Yeah. So could you help us rebuild this? Of course. Yay! Yes. A few minutes later, right here, I rebuilded it. Oh my goodness, thank you so much, President. You're so helpful and kind. Thanks. The end. Thanks for watching. See ya.